Place your heart with mine, let your sleeping soul take flight.
Yo, yo, what is up? So we're gonna do some more work on our character creator setup. I think first I need to do some things with. We added a hardcore option, so I need to change some things with that.
Hello, motherfucker.
Yo, Mr. Direxus, what up? What up? What you got going on? I already got that logo in the game. I already put it in there. Yeah, that shit looked awesome. Yo, hello again. Welcome back. Welcome back. Yeah, I appreciate that, man. I appreciate it. Oh, nice. Glad you like it. Yeah, that shit looks awesome. That shit looks amazing. And it looks pretty decent on the title screen too. Casey, yo, what up, Casey? What you got going on? You gotta check out this logo that Mr. Direxus made for us. It's friggin' amazing. Let's open up maps, main menu. Yeah, we already got it in. Yeah, this thing looks good. I think I should probably change the color of this press start though now. So let's do that. Let's just make that like a white color. Main menu, press start. Oh, it does really look good in there? Yeah, it works. It works. But the press start is clashing now, so I'm just gonna take the material that I have off of it. Nice, yeah. Yeah, you did really good. She looks really good. This widget will ever open. There we go. Yeah, I'm just gonna take this guy off. That should help. Cool. So now, oh, we still have a tint on it. Let me go find that. Where's it at? Over here. Right here. Press start. Get rid of that tint right there. Maxim something. I'm not sure how to say the next part of that. Hello? Welcome in. Welcome in. What you got going on? How goes it? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that helps. So, right before we hopped off, we added this hardcore option. So, I need to change some things with that. Make that button work. I think we already got this. Yeah. Okay. So, let's open up the level blueprint. And need to add hardcore selected here. Right here. I hate when it's just barely off from the rest of them. I gotta come through and align them all. Ripped G, hey man, what's up, Ripped G? What you got going on? What up, what up? We are back at it. We're gonna call this hardcore selected. Gonna have that permadeath run for the folks that want to do that. Cool thing about it is I don't really have to do anything different with the code for hardcore. I can just hook it all up to the very hard options. The only thing I would have to change with it is what happens when you die. Just delete the slot that you're in. I'm fine, well that's good. Welcome in. Are you a dev as well? Lord Kenny! What up, Lord Kenny? What up, what up? Hydrate? I shall. I appreciate the hydrate. So let's see if that works. It should work. It does. Cool. And we can go... Can't go back. What do I need to change there? Need to add something there. Yeah. What are we missing? Whoops. Hi man, not much. I have a bug with the multi-threaded rendering. I'm trying to fix it. Damn. Damn, what's the bug? Is it the same bug you were having the other day about the crazy frames? Alright, so what do we gotta... Is it on here? New game button is selected. Oh, we need to add... Yeah, we need to add that button right here. Hardcore. Get hardcore button. And I think that should be all we need to do. Let's see. And then we can go back. Yep. Cool. 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 So what do we need to do now? We need to work on our character creator menu. This guy. I need to change the color of these to be... I guess I'll just copy this color. Wherever it is. Yeah. Copy that tint. And then come over here. Gonna add that tint over here for now. This is gonna be an icon, but we'll change that later. And I think on the text, I need some padding on the bottom. Say like 5. Yeah. We also need to change on the button. On the... Actually, we need to go into the on hovered right here and do some things. The frame drop when rendering more than one model is the reason I'm adding multi-threaded rendering. The actual bug is that the meshes are now flickering, most probably because I'm not synchronizing data across different threads safely and correctly. Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, I forgot about that, about the frame drop thing being because of not having that. Damn. I might just ditch multi-threading though, to be honest with you. Thinking that perhaps I can use alternative methods to increase performance. Really? Like what? What other things exist? So when we hover this, we want to get... Oh, we need to rename this stuff. Player name size box. Player name horizontal box. Oh, we have another size box. Call this player name button size box. Overlay player name button overlay. The button. Player name button. Image. Player name icon. Image. We don't need that to be a variable. Let me uncheck that. Size box. Player name text. Size box. And player name text. There we go. I'll still use batch rendering, and there's other things I could do, such LOD systems, frustum cooling, spatial partitioning, instance rendering, GPU-based techniques, and shader optimizations. Yeah, true. I mean, that's probably all stuff that you would want anyways, right? Even if you did add multi-threading stuff, right? So let's go into the text. You do want the text. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, yeah. Maybe that'll help though. Maybe it'll help enough. All right, so let's grab. Okay, maybe we did want that to be a variable. So let's add these. I'm hoping so. Yeah, that would be pretty useful. I'm wondering, can we... Is there a way to make a function of a button input? Is that a thing we can do? Maybe? Button? Maybe? Does it work? No. New param, okay. What would we need? Appa, bro, can you make GTA 6? Hell nah. Ain't no way I'd be able to make GTA 6. I think I'll leave that to good old Rockstar. Appa, just wait a year. 2025 isn't far anymore. Yeah, it's not too far. It's not too far. Savitar, yo, what's up? I've arrived. I do have a question when making like main menu. It's its own file, same with widgets for character creator. It's its own file, right? So the pause menu would I have abilities and options and all that in one file, or separate ones? Are you talking about, like, would you make separate widgets for all of that? Is that what you're asking? I mean, you could do it either way, but from what I've heard, it's better practice to separate all of it and then have like one main widget where you can combine everything. So like the way I'm doing it right now is in my main menu right here, I have my main menu widget where I have everything combined. And then I have all the other things that are on that widget inside of their own widgets. So yeah, that's how I'm doing it. I've heard it's better practice to do it that way. So what would we want to... There's got to be a way to make this a button, right? Button slot? Let's see what this does. Oh, wait a minute. Would you blueprint button? What does this do? No. No way to do that. Be cool if we could. Like, would they all be put in one thing? Like when you hit save all? What you mean? I'm not quite sure what you mean by that. Be not. Oh, I can. Let's see what that gives me. Player name text. Okay. What if I... No. See what this gives me. Player name button. Widget blueprint button. Okay, so you can put it as an output. But not as an input. Okay. So maybe... And that's just a button. Weird. I wonder why it doesn't work as an input. Because it would be nice if I could just plug these into this, and then what's inside of the function just does everything to the button. Wait, let me grab the button. That might be one. Yeah, still doesn't work. Well, lame. We could still make a function for it though, called set button. Actually, maybe not. Let's see. Set button style. Probably dumb. Button style, set style. Actually, what if we set style? I guess it's kind of pointless though, right? And you still can't plug those in when you do it like that. That is so dumb. Fine, no function. I feel like that should work, but it doesn't. Okay, so we'll just set style. We'll just do it this way. Make then we will make slate brush.
You can do it! Cut his fucking head off!
Whose head am I cutting off? Whose head am I cutting off? I don't see anyone's head to cut off. I'll do it. I just don't see it. Whose head? Okay, so we want to on the tint make slate color. Same over here. On the tint make slate color. We're gonna hide unconnected pins, hide unconnected pins. Cool. I don't know who you pick. Alright, I choose you. I choose you. Does that work? Does that work for you? Sure? Hell yeah. Okay, that works out then. That works out. Pressed. Where's our pressed? Oh, that's image. Let's get our button. Style normal. Oh, that's the button. Okay, okay, okay. So we don't want to change the button style. We want to on our player name text, we want to set style or brush. Is it strike brush? Is that right? Where's our text? Color and opacity, maybe? Maybe just that. Color and set color and opacity. Make slate brush. Maybe just that. Maybe that's all we need to do. Can also no. And then we will make linear. No, not make linear color. Can I not just paste in a color here? For real? Because that's what I need to do. Fine. Where the hell did that go? Does that only show when it's over here? Where'd it go? Mr. Direxus using the hex code? What's hex code? I don't know what that is. Of the color? Is that what it's called? Yeah, so what we're trying to do is when we... Since we're trying to use kind of Baldur's Gate 3 character creator as inspiration, they have, on the character creator, they have all these buttons over here, and basically the way it works is this whole thing's a button, and when you hover it, it changes the color of the text to let you know that it's hovered. So that's basically what we're trying to do. So when we hover the button, we want to change the color of the text. I did that 2 days ago, yeah, but for some reason it won't just let me paste a color in here, right? And I find that a little dumb. I find that to be a little dumb. Let me just paste the color, because I want to paste the color of the color that's... Maybe we just make it white. Let's see if that works. Let's just give that a little test real quick. On the right bottom, there's Hex RBG. That's the hexadecimal code of the RGBA color. You can copy and paste that. Here, let's see. So we hover, it does change it. That is what we want to do. But on the bottom right, talking about let's see. Oh, you're talking about this? I could copy that. You're right. You're right. I think white works though. Oh, that's the way Baldur's Gate 3 does it anyways. Might as well just do it that way too. I was gonna try to make it a little lighter, but white probably stands out more anyways. So now we need to get the unhovered. On unhovered, and we need to do the opposite of that. This one we would need to set the color back though, so we will need to copy it on this one. Because we needed to basically do the opposite of what we did when we hovered it. So yeah, on this one we will have to do that since we can't just paste the damn color in. So let's make linear color, and we'll go grab whatever that was. Copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste, and I think this was set to 1. See if that works. So when we hover it, it should change the white. When we unhover it, it should go back. Yeah, like that. But I don't want the button to show anything when I hover it. So let's change that on the button. On the hovered tint, set the alpha to 0. And let's check that. Yeah. Seems to work. I don't know why, but when I hover right in here, it seems to have a little bit of an issue with picking it up. That's a little bit of an issue. Why? Why do you have a problem with me hovering in this area? Not sure why. Oh, we got friggin' ads. Friggin' ads. So the button is taking up the whole thing, but for some reason when I hover around the text, the friggin' ads, I know, right? For some reason when I hover around the text, it seems to be kind of blocking the button. Maybe because you're hovering the text and not directly the button. The text is no child of the button. Yeah, maybe if we change the, I mean, the text is a child of the button. Or it's a child of the size box that's on the button. Oh wait, can we? Yeah, we can't do that. So maybe we change the, on the text, what if we change the, where's it at? Where is it? Oh, I can't change that here. Oh wait, this is the text. I forget what it's called. I always forget the word for it. But it's basically the thing that stacks it. Setting the text to no-hit contest? Should already be that, right? Oh, visible? Well, that's visibility. It should be... I'm just brain farting on the word for it. It's gotta be on one of these damn things. Z order. Is there no Z order for the text? No, the Z order goes away. No Z order for the text because it's a child of the size box, maybe? We only have Z order on the top thing. So we can't change the Z order of it. I don't want to confuse you because I'm still new to UE, just trying to guess with you. I think it says, if I could change the Z order, I think that would fix it, but it won't let me change the Z order because it's connected to all this other stuff. So I need to find a different solution. Visibility of the size box. Well, we don't want to set it to hidden. I don't think that would change anything, but change it to visible. We'll see. We'll give it a test. Nah. Still having issues. We might have to do a janky workaround and not connect the text to the button. Maybe. But that would kind of suck. Let me change that back. I don't know about doing it that way. Let me think. Because that's just going to be a bitch and a half if we have to do it that way. Be nice if we could change the Z order of it. But we can't. There's some other setting that could affect that. Behavior is enabled? Maybe that. What if we disable it? That might change the color of it though. Let's try that. It did change the color of it. And it still doesn't completely fix it. It works a little better, but not completely. Does the icon image block the hover too? Nope, the icon image is perfectly fine. It's just right in here. Let's take a look at our thing over here. Yeah, nothing happening over here. Digital, yo! I dig the font you're using for the title. Oh yeah, Mr. Direxus made it for us. Yeah, it looks badass, right? He made a badass logo for us. Yeah, it looks really good. Maybe because the image is a direct child of the button and the text is a child of a separate size box. Yeah, but they're all a child of the same thing. But where's the image? Yeah, we can't make more than one thing a child of the button. But yeah, probably something like that. Probably something like that. Yeah, I think we might just have to do that janky workaround. I don't want to do it that way, but we'll see. So if we... let's position this guy over here. Let's see if it works with it not being a child of anything. Nope, it's still a little janky. But we might be able to change the Z order of it now with it not being... yeah, we can. Set the Z order to -1. Let's try that. Digital, I make it easy for you, Senzel Decorative. Oh yeah. That's the name of the font. Let's see. If we change the Z order of it. If we change the Z order of it, it's perfect. So yeah, we're just gonna have to do a janky workaround for it. Just not make it a child of anything. I don't like that. It makes it harder to keep things organized, but it gives us what we want. Yeah. Okay. So let's go to the button. Okay, see ya. Only 700 Care Bear poops left for the uwu sound. 700? Oh god, I hate the uwu sound. I should have made that more expensive. I haven't done that forever. I haven't done that forever. I forgot that was still there. Damn it. Alright, size the content. And then on the... we'll move this guy. Better than an Ara Ara? What is it? What is the Ara Ara? I'm unfamiliar with this. Is this still a part of the horizontal box? It's not. Okay. So yeah, we're just gonna have to do this janky workaround. That kind of sucks, but it'll be alright. Except this guy over here. It's another sound in the same category as uwu. Yeah, I don't think I've heard that one. Let's look it up. Okay, close this real quick. Hydrate! I shall. I appreciate the hydrate. Only made of culture, no Ara Ara? Yeah, I don't know that one. Let's look it up. Let's see what it is. You're welcome. Hell yeah. Oh god. The greatest Ara Ara of all time. Let's see.
お風呂にするそれともわたしAra Ara, I'll give you an Ara Ara. Ahem. Ara Ara. Ara Ara. You're looking at the ribbon,
No.
right?
What do you know about? Is it wrong? Should I find another one? Should I find another one? Let's find another one. What is this? There's a bunch of them right there. Does that work? Oh damn, what was that? I mean, the Ara Ara of her was right, but just the Ara Ara? Yeah, there was a bunch of other stuff. Not on YouTube? Where do I find it then? Where do I find it then? YouTube seems the easiest way. Yeah, there's a bunch of other stuff in that other video. Should I go to Blurp? Maybe there's some on Blurp. Let's see. Discover Ara Ara. Oh, here's one on Blurp.
Ara ara. Ara ara.
Why are they so sexual?
Ara ara.
They sound super sexual. Yeah, that one's worse than uwu. Ain't no way I'd add an Ara Ara. No, I mean, don't go looking it up while streaming. Oh! Yeah, true. 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 Ah, we should be fine. We should be fine. We should be alright. Okay. So we gotta do this janky workaround. Which is kind of lame. But it works. So let's duplicate this. Actually, no. I want to change the size of the vertical box. Not position. I'm sorry, I just laughed my ass off anyways. Yeah. Yeah, ain't no way I would add that one. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. You will not be hearing me doing one of those. Okay, so we got that. Set position 160 or no, yeah, 155, 150. Do 150. Let's see. So we need another one of these. I think our next one is going to be where we select our class. Yeah. So we will duplicate this guy. I need to copy the position of this though. Oh, okay. Yeah, see, that's what I was saying. The janky workaround is gonna make it a bitch and a half to fit this. What we could do... No. Well... Maybe. We might have a solution to this. What if... Let's try this. Let's delete this. Let's delete this. And let's change the size of the vertical box to be about like this. About 85. And what if... Oh god. What if we duplicate the entire vertical box? Actually, what if we create a horizontal box right here, and we add this vertical box to the horizontal box, and we need to change the size of the horizontal box to like 600, and then what did I have? Let's change the anchor to the center. And then the vertical box we just set to fill. No, not fill. And then what if we duplicate that vertical box? That goes way far out. Okay, let's go back. Maybe creating the button a separate widget? Nah, I got another solution. So I'm basically just gonna create two different vertical boxes, so that way they keep perfectly aligned on top of a horizontal box. So the way these work, horizontal box, I mean, it kind of does what it, sounds like. But basically, a horizontal box will align things horizontally, and then a vertical box will align things up and down. So I'm going to create a horizontal box to align the two different vertical boxes. And then I'm going to put the icon on one vertical box, and then the text on the other vertical box. So that way they can have the same exact alignment, and I don't have to do that crazy janky workaround. And hopefully that works. Hopefully we don't get the same... That should work. It should work. Because if I change the Z order of it, it should be fine. But we're gonna have to change some stuff here. I deleted the text. That's fine. We'll get rid of that for now. But don't you have two buttons now for each row? We can get rid of the button. We only need the one button. So we can get rid of the... We can get rid of the button. I'm just gonna have to kind of like stretch it out to cover both sides of it. And yeah, we can get rid of the second button on the second vertical box, wherever it is. Yeah, we do have 2 buttons right now, but we can get rid of one of them. Where the hell is it at? Okay, yeah. I just gotta find it. Do we not have our... Okay, we got our vertical box. What is this? Okay, that's just our second button there. So we need our... Let me just get rid of this for now. We just need our second vertical box. Duplicate. Okay, yeah, that's what we want, but we want it to come to about right here, so we need to change some things with our... size of this. We'll just make that 100 or 85. No, 85. Then on the vertical box, horizontal box. Hold on. Vertical box, we can... Just duplicate this one and see how that's looking now. That's about what I want, but on this one I want the width to be longer. And then we can just get rid of that button. We don't need that overlay. Same over here, we don't need the overlay anymore, so let's pull this up and then connect the button to the player name button size box right there. Then we can get rid of that overlay, and then on the button, oh, this might stretch it though. Maybe. Oh, we have it on fill. Let's change that to auto. Ooh, it works. It's exactly what I wanted to do. So we'll just stretch the button way across the whole thing. Tell you give me an error for it. Let me delete that real quick. Go back to the designer. And then, let's see. We have 2 different player name size boxes. One is going to be player name icon size box. This is all going to be for the icon. We don't need that horizontal box anymore, right? Yeah, not really. We don't need it on either one of these now. So let's move that up. Let's connect the button size box to the player name icon size box. Let's delete that horizontal box. Oh, hold on. Okay, maybe we do want that horizontal box. We'll leave that one. That broke our button there. Okay, so we'll leave that one. I don't think we need it on this one though. Let's see. We'll connect this to this guy. No. Okay. Maybe we keep the horizontal box. We'll keep them. So in that case, I just need to rename this stuff. And we need to add a player name. Whoops. Text. Size. Box. And I need to add in a text. The size box. Like that. We're gonna change it to lemon milk. Change the size. We're gonna set this to center, left. Give it an outline of 2, maybe just 1. And that's cool. That's about what we want. Let's see how the button reacts right now. The button doesn't react at all. Let me see. Where is our button? It's there. Let me change. We did get rid of the hovered and all of that though, so we can't really tell. We're gonna have to finish it and see. I could, just for testing real quick, go to the hovered, turn the alpha back up. Change the Z order of that new stuff right here. Of this vertical box, maybe? Where's the Z order? Damn. So that gives me the problem before about not being able to change the Z order. And I need to be able to do that for it to not act janky. That is so stupid. Oh, wait a minute. We set the Z order of that to 1. Maybe that helps. No. Okay. It's because these are both part of the parent horizontal. So we'll just not align them that way. We'll just copy the size of this one here. Which was 100 and 600. Then we just need to change position X. Why in the world are you moving everything? What? What? It's moving shit that it's not connected to. Shouldn't do that. What? What the hell? What are you connected to? Okay, that makes 0 sense. Why would that affect anything to do with this other shit. What the hell? Okay, that's dumb. Let me look over here. There. This might be better to look at, actually. This guy... These guys are anchored differently. That might be why. Mr. Direct is weird? That is hella weird. I think it might be because of this, though. Let's take a look at this. Lord King. Sometimes shit be janky. Sometimes shit be janky. Hydrate? I shall. Oh, we got ads. So let's see. So now if we go back to desired and we change position X, that fixed it. Yeah. That's what we wanted. Cool. Yo, sort it? Hey, we got it sorted. We got it sorted already. It was because on our fill screen it was set up differently. They were anchored to different places. Cool. Okay, so now we should be good to go. So now we should just be able to duplicate these and duplicate these, and they'll stay aligned. Perfect. Perfect. Exactly what I wanted. So this is gonna be button icons for a horizontal box.
You can do it! Cut his fucking head
Young
off!
Jojo, what's Ara? We just found out what Ara was. Whose head am I cutting off? Junim, what's up, Junim? Why didn't wrap them in a horizontal box? They do have horizontal box. What you talking about? I mean, this one has a horizontal box, but this one doesn't. Trust me, I've been working this out for a second. I got exactly the result I wanted right now. Yo. What up, Junim? What you got going on? But yeah, nah, with horizontal box, I forget what was happening, but something stupid was happening. If I had them both under the same horizontal box. Oh, I was having some weird... So, what I'm trying to do right now, the reason I'm doing it this way, is when I had them both under the same horizontal box, when I'm going into here, and I'm trying to change the color and opacity of the text that's right here, because the text was on top of the button and not a direct child of it, when I would hover over the button, it would give me weird results because the text, when they were both on the same horizontal box, I couldn't change the Z order of the text. So I broke them apart. I made this its own vertical box so that I could come in and change the Z order. So that way it wouldn't affect the how the button is working. So yeah, there's a reason why I'm doing what I'm doing. It's a crazy little process to get here. Yeah. Yo, what's up, Junim? What you got going on? What up? But yeah, I started out doing that, young Jojo. It just didn't give me the right results. So, we changed it. Okay, so now, we just need to rename this stuff. player name icon size box, player name horizontal box, player name button size box. Yeah, that works. Player name button. Player name icon image. There we go. See, yeah. But what up, young Jojo? Are you a dev as well? I'm assuming so, right? You seem to know things about UI. Finish the video of the save game right now. Oh god, the save game. And you want to know the funny thing? I learned of some other ways to make that a little more simplified. Like later on, I was looking into ways of simplifying, like saving less variables, and immediately figured out something else. Let me show you real quick. I was looking at this save system to see how they do it, and I'll show you this other way. So the way this save system is working, and let me go into the event graph, because I knew there had to be a way of saving way less variables, a simplified way of doing that. So the way this system right here works is they have these functions saving different parts of the system, and in these functions they're you know setting certain information, but at the end here, if you notice, they have this structure that they made that is basically saving certain info all within a structure, so that way you only have to save these structures. I mean, you still kind of have to get all the info from the variables from these other components, but I think that would save storage space doing it this way, because technically you're only saving the structure and you're setting the stuff in the structure from the information that's in these components. So I think this is definitely a better method, but yeah. And hey, congrats on the 1K subs. You deserve it. Hey, I appreciate it. Yeah, we hit 1K today. We hit 1K today. Pretty dope. Recently found your channel. You have some good shit. Here, my friend. Hey, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Yeah. Yes, I recently started my channel, teaching folks how to make a survival game. Like, Dead Side? Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, survival games are cool. I thought about doing a survival series as well. Maybe we'll do that one later on down the road after the Soul series. Do something like that. I think I would do kind of like a, similar to Valheim, but without the voxel stuff, because Unreal Engine voxel was crazy. So, Hunib, can you please share your insight for our wall builder game? I don't know too much about wall builder game. Like, what do you mean, like... what exactly is a wall builder game? Not sure what that is. Not sure what that is. The construction systems? Maybe. If that's what it is, I've never built a system like that, but I know you would need a lot of things in place to be able to do it. I'm not sure. I've never built a system like that. I would have to do some major studying on that one to know how to do that. I don't know. I want to have wall builder, which I can use to build a wall while in gameplay mode. I don't know, but I can point you into the direction of some videos. I know for a fact that this guy has a tutorial on some similar things. What's he called? This guy? Crystal Clear Gaming Studios, or not Gorka Games. This guy. I know he has some tutorials on it. Yeah, this channel. Yeah, right here, add buildables. I would check him out. He definitely has videos on it. I've never built a system like that, so not sure. Something like the construction of Fortnite, I don't know. Yeah. Well, that's kind of what this is. Yeah, I would check out these videos. I would check that out. Yeah, the construction building? Yeah. It's Me Bro has some good stuff too. I don't know if I've heard of It's Me Bro. Maybe. Sounds kind of familiar. Yeah, I would have to do some major studying on a system like that. I just haven't done a system like that before. Need Unreal, help me make a path to Wall Builder? Yeah, check out the channel I just showed. Crystal Clear Game Studios. I know he has stuff on that. If you want me to, I could drop a link. Looking back up. Check this guy out. This guy has a lot of good shit. I would recommend checking him out. If you want me to, I could drop a link. Yeah. Check that channel out. Okay. So. It's simple when you build a single player game, but when it comes to multiplayer, that's when shit gets hard. Yeah, you're talking about survival stuff, especially survival with building systems and yeah, having to replicate that and then save all that info. It's not too bad. The thing that I find hard with that kind of a thing was when I built a character creator with survival game. I found replicating the character creator part really hard because you need to store certain information for one player and then store different information for another player and then keep that information set specific to what they did. That was kind of the hardest part to me. We're gonna call this button text vertical box. Player name. We're gonna call this player name text size box. We're gonna call this player name text horizontal box. Usually do my saving from the game instance. Yeah, that's another way of doing it. It's another way of doing it. Player name text size box, and then player name text. So now in here, we're gonna make this say player name. Player name. Like that. It doesn't stay. Actually, that should be fine. So let's see. And then on the graph, right here, we want to grab our. We want to go back, set our player name to be is variable, and then set player name text, and then same right here. We want to set player name text. Yeah. Let's see if that works. Let's go to a little test. Is it okay if I share a link to the preview of my survival game that I'm creating? I'm fine with it, but if you share it on YouTube, YouTube will just automatically delete the message. So you can either share it in the Discord or share it on the Twitch, because those places allow links. YouTube doesn't allow links during live streams for whatever the hell reason, unless it's, you know, like the actual YouTuber posting them. And that's what we want, but we want to change that button. Cool. So on our button hovered, we need to change that alpha back to 0. Cool. All the menus of my game will be changed. I'll create something different for the character creator in the main menu. Do you remember I said I was trying to build a different HUD? Made my decision. Oh shit! Hell yeah! What's the HUD? Yeah, right now a lot of the HUD, the menu stuff we're doing is just kind of temporary as well. But check out the logo. So Mr. Direxus actually went in and made us a logo. The logo turned out badass. Okay, cool. Yeah, you can send it either on the Twitch or on the Discord. Just let me know. Either one works. Wow, yeah, it turned out badass, alright? Hold on. Let me look at that again. Let me go over here. He made that look awesome as hell? Hell yeah, he did. Yeah, it turned out friggin' great. What are we doing on this text? Oh, we need to set the color on the normal since we made a new text. I'll grab this, then on the text here, set that. Nah, thank you. Hey, I told you it was good. I told you it was good. Everybody else say it is good. Young Jojo, logo is sick, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, Mr. Direxus, who is in the chat right now, made it. Shit turned out amazing. Just to start the project, I started thinking about the fucking HUD. No, I can really create. And yeah, that logo is beautiful. Hell yeah. Yeah, we're gonna be starting on HUD soon. So we'll probably go ahead and do our HUD and stuff when we finish the save system or when we finish the inventory. Whichever one comes first. We'll see. Whichever one finishes first. Love from all sides. I'm glad you like it. Hell yeah. Link to the Twitch. Let me grab a link to the Twitch real quick. I will drop that in the chat real quick. Let me just find a link to it. There you go. There you go. Okay, so we kind of got what we wanted out of this. So now we just have to add all our other buttons. Just give that another little test real quick. Need link to Discord? Here, let me drop the link to Discord real quick.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Hey! Unreal Devs, I appreciate the follow. Welcome in. I assume you dev in Unreal? I dev in Unreal as well. Alright, let me drop this link. There you go. Discord right there. If not, that would be ridiculous, Gary. Oh, it's Young Jojo? Oh, yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Hey, I appreciate the follow, though. I appreciate the follow. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm tired. I was like falling asleep in my chair before I started the stream, so I'm a little out of it right now. Thank you, sir. Oh yeah, no problem. Of course he must. Yeah, true. 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 You never know, though. You never know. Cool, so it's me, Unreal Devs. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, it's just two different names. It's one name on one site, a different name on the other one. Okay, so let's give this a little test. We'll double check it again real quick. So we're getting what we want right here. I think it's a little dark. Why is it? Maybe we want to make the outline smaller on the text. Or just no outline. We can't put 0.5, can we? No. We can't. See what it looks like with zero outline. I think the outline is making it look really dark. Oh, now you can't see it though. Now you can't even tell it's there. Okay. We'll give it outline. Let's look at that reference again. You know what? Yeah, we need to do that. So what they're doing is they have a gradient going across the whole thing, and then that makes this stand out. So we need to do something like that. So, on the character creator, right here, let's just add an image to the canvas panel. We're going to anchor it to the left. .5. We're going to size X to about out to here. Then size Y 1080. Let me grab my gradient. White gradient, but can I rotate this? Because I kind of need to rotate it. Multi-threading is so hard, man. It sounds like it. Sounds like a bitch and a half. I think you'll get it, though. You'll get it. Does that do... Not quite. Eventually? Yeah, you'll get it eventually. You gotta, right? I might have to go into GIMP real quick and rotate this white gradient thing that I have going on. To kind of get this kind of a thing. Let me open this back up. We change the color of it. Let me just see what that looks like that, and then maybe we'll go in and rotate it. Kind of hard to tell because the gradient's coming from bottom to top, but I think I can kind of tell. Yeah, you can kind of tell where it is, but it's not perfect. Is there a way to... Unreal Devs has shared 100
Thanks
bits.
for
Hey,
the good videos, my friend.
hey, I appreciate the 100 biddies. I appreciate the biddies. Thank you. So what if... Thing is, they kind of have it like a PNG, so it doesn't really have like a hard cut on the end. So we need to rotate. We need to rotate it this way. Let's see about doing that real quick. We'll close all this for now. I'm gonna open up shitty old GIMP. And I forget where I have this gradient texture. Is it just in my textures? Will you be available on Discord later on for one-on-one? As long as it's chat. I'm not really a big like voice call person. What do you want though? Just let me know. Yes, sir. I've learned a lot from your character creator stuff. Hey, well, that's good. That's good. That's good. Yeah, it's we're building a bit more of a more complicated one at the moment. This one's gonna have morph targets and stuff. Let's see. Is my white gradient in here? It is. It's right here. So, let's close this. Let's open GIMP. Let's make a new 1920 by 1080. Drag this guy in. And I hate GIMP. I barely know how to use it, and plus it's dog shit, but I just need to rotate this guy a little bit. How do I rotate it perfectly? That's all I need to do is rotate this damn thing. Unreal Devs, there's the link. Here, let's check it out. Before I just open it, let me just double check what it is. Oh, you got a tutorial on third-person shooter? Here, let's see. Let me pause the music here. Let's take a look.
In the future, and I wanted to show you guys what I've been working on.
I'll give you a sub.
And some of the future that you're about to see in here.
This is the preview to what I'm creating on my channel. If you want to see it, hell yeah!
If some of you guys want to keep it, all you have to do is just click a button or a checkbox.
Mr. Direct says, need some transparent gradient? Yeah, that's kind of what we're doing. I'm trying to
picking up the item.
Trying to make this kind of thing, and if you could tell, they have a transparent like gradient thing going on,
and they stack up like that,
so that the buttons stand out. So I'm kind of trying to create that.
And same thing for whatever you pick up. And as you can see, everything is updated properly. Like 16, 17, 18, boom.
Hell yeah.
Okay, and that's one of them. And the second one is this right here. When you shoot the player, you get this little
the damage
indicator, like
yeah,
how much damage you're doing. So and as you can see, you see the cut down before the respawn. And if I click respawn, this guy shows up. Boom, you can pick up some stuff. And that's the server. Server can do the same. and click respawn. And if you do a headshot or you switch the weapon, based on the, I believe I have it based on the weapon damage. For example, if I get this guy and I take the server and boom, die instantly, because the AK deal a lot more damage than the M4, right?
Hell
so
yeah.
Now, let's say I kill this dude and then I collect a lot of stuff, right? And then I want to exit. Oh, also we have different footstep sound. Alright. So now I have 9, 15, 22. Alright, let me see if I can pick up some more. Yeah, 25. So this is gonna be one of the exit points, right?
Thanks for the love. I've added way more stuff.
Boom,
No problem.
And
Hell yeah.
8. So now if I run back, the cut down stop. The countdown stop. Alright, it stop. And if I run back and let it run
So
out,
you summon on Discord? Oh damn, that was fast. That was fast as hell. Hell yeah, I'll go ahead and grab them.
one, boom. Now I'm in a different world. So this would be what you consider the shelter, right? And as you can see, everything is saved. 26, everything is saved. And I haven't worked on the shelter part yet. So you gotta let me know if you want to keep this or not. Alright, thank you. See you.
Hell yeah, everyone go give Unreal Devs a sub if you're interested in making something like that. Hell yeah. Alright, so let me turn this off real quick, and I will go grab those gradients. Let me go grab them gradients. Cool. Got friggin' ads. Hell yeah. Perfect. I appreciate it. I appreciate. Let me save this to here. Where? To here real quick. Hell yeah, I appreciate. Send link to the music you had. Talking about the music here. This right here. Sure. Let me drop that in the chat. The music here. Cool. There you go. Okay. So. Alright. Let's try to get these bad boys in. I've got a C++ multi-rendering professional to help me? Damn. Damn. Multi-threading professional to help you? Damn, how'd you manage that? Is it on one of the Discords you're in? Damn, nice. Yeah, that's crazy. You're a real one? Thanks for the love. Oh yeah, no problem. No problem. Yeah? Cool. Yeah, drop the link. You should have it. Fellow C++ developer from another stream I watch. Oh, hell yeah. That's dope. Hopefully that should help. Maybe you'll figure out what it is. Okay. Let's go to the... Go ahead and just add the texture in here. Where did I put it? Somewhere in here. right? I think it's this. Let's go to maps. Main menu. C++ is the way to go. Yeah, I need to learn some C++. I need to get on that grind. Need to hop on that grind. I mean, I could probably go ahead and start. I haven't had a lot of free time with doing the YouTube videos plus doing the streams. So let's go into the third person blueprints, widgets, main menu, actually character creator right here. It's gonna be a pain at first, but once you understand how shit works, the sky is the limit. Yeah, I mean, that's kind of how blueprints were in the beginning, just absolute banging my head against the wall for a while, and eventually I started to understand it, so I know it's possible. I just gotta get there. So let's grab... Let's grab this guy. Perfect. That should be exactly what we need. Let's see how that looks. To make the text stand out. Maybe I can make it a little... I think I have the alpha turned off, so let me... Or turned down on this. Maybe I need that a little darker. Like that. Let's try that. Hopefully it helps a little bit. Let's see. I'm trying to see what they're doing to make it. They really make it stand out somehow. It helps. But I'm missing something that's making it stand out. Maybe it's my text is just too dark. Or maybe it's... Let's see. What if we position it over a little bit so it's a little more in that dark? And then what if we kind of stretch this bad boy a little bit all the way out to like there? See how that looks. Yeah, I guess the main difference about C++ and higher languages is that you have to do more things manually that C Sharp and PHP or STH does automatically. Yeah. Yeah, and it's just easier to like visually kind of see what's wrong in blueprints, kinda. I remember a year ago I didn't know jack about Unreal, and now look at me. The key to learning is to never give up. Yeah, that's true. That's true. That's true. I'll just make a separate GitHub branch for multi-threading and remove it from the main branch so I can work on other things from now. Hell yeah. Yeah, I need to set up a Git for this game. I haven't set one up yet. I need to though. Maybe it's the background. On the screenshot, you see rocks behind the menu. You have the sky that, behind, which is much lighter. Oh, yeah, you could be right about that. That could be a part of it. Could be a big part of it. Let's grab this rock right here. And let's see if it helps. Put the lighting, let's see. Just see. I don't know, because now you kind of can't see the gradient. We also have way more shadow than what they have here, so I would need to change the sun position a little bit to maybe help with that. And the time to maybe 12. Let's see what, maybe 13. See what that looks like. I started developing websites first. I've been working with PHP. Boo is Ruby. I can tell you Blueprints is way easier to work with. Oh, I'm sure. I'm sure it is. Yeah, I need to dive into some of that stuff. Why is my hover not working anymore now, too? Oh, it's probably the Z order of this guy. Set that to -1. That might help. The Z order might have been making it darker. Let's see if that's part of it. Michael, I think you have a small valley with a long shot view. You could pull it off or add something in your skybox. This kind of helps. Yeah, the Z order was kind of making it darker. And yeah, if we add... That kind of helps. That kind of helps. Stands out a little bit more now. And yeah, they don't have a big mountain behind them. They're kind of, yeah, in the middle of like some shit. I mean, we don't want to completely copy this though. We just want inspiration from it. So let's see. That helps. I know, but Unreal Engine Blueprints won't help me with my own game engine. Yeah, that's true. Blueprints won't work in there. Yeah, that's true because it's specific to UE. You're making your own engine? Hell yeah. Yeah, Lord Kenny's smart. Lord Kenny's smart. So that kind of fixes the issue, but... I feel like there's more... Well, it's not too bad. Let's see. Yeah? Hell yeah. Who dat? Oh, it's Lord Kenny. Here, I'm gonna do a quick pee break. I will be right back. Alright, I'm back. My kitty came in. If y'all want to meet him, let me try to get him here. Hey, kitty. Hey, Toby. I'm gonna try to get on the desk now. He wants down. Let him chill there for a second. He normally doesn't stay in long. So let's see. He's probably gonna immediately want out. Maybe. That's dope. I know it's a lot of work because I had to build a framework from scratch using PHP and Vue. It was a pain in my butt. Hell yeah. Damn, cute cat? Yeah, he's a little cutie. Yeah, he already wants out. Hold on. Okay. So let's see. So let's... Maybe... I don't know, maybe we just add a border to it. Probably be easier to deal with. Might be easier to deal with. Doesn't have to be completely the same. C++. That's it for sure. That it is for sure, yeah. I mean, this guy said he would choose C# over C++. How you could build anything with C++? Hell yeah. I'm thinking about... Maybe we just wanna... Let's go back. Yeah, for sure. Let's go to... Blueprints, widgets... character creator. Go to this. What if we... wrap this with a border? That's probably going to change the size of everything though, isn't it? Yeah, that does some stuff that I don't want it to... Well... Could be not that big of a deal. But we're gonna need to... see order to... -1 like that. Then... let's copy... something from one of our other widgets. Not this one. This one. And that. For now. But we need to change the text to be different now. Right? Yeah, for sure. Most of the applications on your computer are built on C++. Yeah, C++ is powerful. Definitely powerful. But we probably want to change the color of that text now. And the icon. I think we'll just do that. Makes it a little easier to deal with. Okay. Let's go back to here. Let's just change the icon to white for now. Make that like that. And we need something from our other color palette that would work for this. So let's find that. Let me pull this guy up. For the text, I mean, we could make it white and then, well, let's try this first. This. Try that color. Yeah. Then we need to also set the values of that color in here. Try that. The only thing I hate about C++, that shit is unforgiving. Blueprint tells you most of the time where your errors are, but C++ just tells you something in some alien language and hoping you figure it out. Yeah, that's what makes me nervous about moving to C++, because in Blueprints I can like straight up just come up here and check the debug object and literally see exactly where it's breaking at and find an easy solution that way. But yeah. Is it possible to let a texture tile vertically? Like rotate the texture? What you could do, well, it depends on what you're trying to do. It depends. But you could throw a texture on this, right? Like on the... Yeah, like this. You could throw a texture on this. Let's see what happens when we throw like a Megascans texture on it. I think it might just stretch. But let's see. Let's grab this castle wall. Yeah, it kind of just stretches across it. But we have it to no tiling. Oh yeah, tile vertically. Still looks a little jank though. Horizontally looks better. What about both? Could do both, like that. Yeah. Oh, whoops. So I think I need to make this a little small, a little not as wide. Maybe. And I think we're gonna add, for our information stuff over there, I think we're gonna add that other border that you sent us. Should have it in here somewhere. Where'd it go? Oh, I moved it into here. Yeah, this guy. I think this one would work for the information border that we're actually going to be setting over here. So I think we'll use this one over there. Right. I don't know if it would work for this one too because of the size difference. We can see what it looks like though. Let's see. Not too bad, but it stretches it. Yeah. So it would have to be like exact dimensions to not do that. It would probably work better on the one that I'm making over here. I could create a tile? What kind of tile? I don't know if we really need any tiling. Tiling might be a little distracting to the other stuff we're gonna be doing on these things. Yeah, most of the stuff just has like a border with like a gradient inside of them. Let's see how The Witcher does it. Yeah, they do kind of the same thing. They have these borders with a gradient. Theirs is way darker though. Here, let me look at the tile you just sent though. Oh, something like that? That could be not bad. J-Rap Studio. Hey, what's up, J-Rap? What you got going on? What up, what? What up? Can anyone in the chat create a weapon wheel like GTA and Photoshop? I'll pay. Hell yeah. Monies. Oh no? What's the oh no? It is a cutout of the window texture, so it would fit. I don't know that it would fit. Let's see. We can give it a shot. Let's see what happens. Where did I just put it? Did I even grab it? Might not have even grabbed it. I'm tired. Okay. I did. No. I don't know what I just did. Let's see. Where did I just put this? Oh, we got friggin' ads. Right here. Let's see. Okay, so let's see. Was just a small idea. I don't know. Yeah, I don't think it would fit properly, but we'll see what happens. Let's see. Did I turn my screen back on? So let's grab this right here. So it stretches on one side. Where did I just put that? Let me go here. And put it here. Yeah, it makes the whole thing black. And it only adds the one side. But what if we tile both? Yeah, that doesn't work. Actually, if you tile both, it just goes away completely. Vertically. Yeah, just add to the one side. Yeah. Not quite. Not quite. Yeah, sadly the thing is with UI, the shitty part about making UI is that, the shitty thing about UI is that you, you kind of need to make specific UI to every specific menu in a game to make sure things fit. So it's kind of a lot of work. Yeah. Yeah. I need assistance from a GitHub know-it-all right now. Oh, that's definitely not me. I don't know shit about GitHub. I've just somehow erased just over a week of work on my engine. What? This is why I back up my shit every time I finish working on it. What? Pushed everything to GitHub? Then you good? Yeah. Reverted changes in a recent commit. That somehow erased just over a week of work? What? Oh, I don't want to stop you. I just can't hold back my thoughts. Yeah, sadly, it doesn't quite work like that. Sadly, not. Oh, it's back. Thank Christ for that, man. I reverted the revert. Oh, thank God. Damn. That was a close one. I guess I should have done it in the right width. Yeah, sadly with UI, everything has to be specific to the widths of the menus that are already existing. So that's what it's probably going to be better to do any UI stuff once I get the general shape of everything done. That way, anyone that makes UI stuff can know the proper widths of the stuff that's being made. UI sucks, man. Yeah, making it pretty sucks. Yeah. I usually break them apart. What do you mean? Trying to find music for my teaser trailer? Oh, hell yeah. Alright, so I think on this guy that didn't change. The let me find our color palette. This guy. And then we'll set that to that. Let's see how that looks. Kiwi Hawk in this series in a playlist, please. Guessing I should start from the beginning. We have a playlist of this series. It already exists. It's on the channel. But welcome in. Welcome in. So, yeah, we want to set that color back to white when we hover it. I'll create a separate widget for everything and just add them to a size box in Canvas and hit size to content. That's what we're doing. So like we have our widget that we're well, this was kind of a test. We'll probably change this now since we're doing it differently. Yeah, this is its own thing and we're adding it to the main widget. And we did the same thing for the main menu. We have all these sub widgets that are all being added to the main widget. Yeah, that's what we're doing. We have a little bit more going on to this one, but it'll be okay. But that's also just being added to the main widget. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah. That's something I've started doing recently. I've heard it's better practice. So, yeah, we've started doing this as well. That is indeed what we've started. Alright, so guess I'm gonna call it here. I'm tired as hell. I'm gonna go to bed early tonight. Go to bed early tonight. Was not sure when I looked over the stuff. Yeah, it's on there. We got a playlist. We got a playlist of everything. So let's see. Next version, need to show some love to the UI department. Next version of what? Which version of what? Lord Kenny, hydrate? I shall. I shall. Let's see. If there's anyone we want to rate to. Unreal? Oh, you're talking about like the next update? They need to show some love to it? Such an awesome stream again, man. I'll catch you tomorrow. Hey, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Here, let's write out to Trademix, who's doing some software and game dev. Oh, whoops, wrong button. Who's doing some software? I'm tired. I'm pressing wrong buttons and shit. Next version or update Unreal need to show some love to the UI. Ah, I see what you're saying. Yeah, I mean, UI is kind of okay for the most part, but I guess there could be some things dealt with it. How do you spell his name? It was fun. Thanks for streaming. Hey, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. How do you spell this guy's name? He's got a 3 in it. Yeah, here we go. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna rate out to Trademix, who's doing some game dev stuff. Casey, have a good one. Hey, I appreciate it. You have a good one as well. Suguki, hello. I think you came in at the very end here. Yeah, we're hopping off. But welcome. I'm glad you stopped in, though. But, yep, we're gonna call it here. We're gonna rate out to Trademix. I appreciate everyone for hanging out. Got a little countdown here. And then, yeah, I'll be back on tomorrow. We'll do some more stuff. Maybe we'll actually make it to doing some... we'll probably still be on menu stuff. I don't know. We'll see. But yep, I'll see you on the next one.